To install Elementor, you're first going to need to click on Plugins in your dashboard. Here you can choose Add New, and then search for Elementor. Pops up, you're going to click Install Now, and once it's installed, you're going to activate it. Now, if you have Elementor Pro, you're going to want to upload that as well. You're going to click Add New and then Upload and choose the file. Then open it and install. Once it's installed, we're going to activate it, and then you're going to need to input the license. So you can hover over Elementor in the left-hand sidebar and choose License. You can see here whenever it loads that my license is connected. If yours isn't displaying like this, you can choose Connect Account and then follow through to log into your Elementor Pro account.